Do you want to know how you can find people nearby using your Telegram account and add them? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to 1-2-Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can find people nearby on Telegram and add them. Go ahead and open Telegram, which is on your phone. Open your menu, which is the three lines over here on the left hand side, and you can see people nearby. Go ahead and click on people nearby, click on allow access and click while using the app. Now you can see that these are the people who are nearby to you, and you can click make myself visible and click OK, and then your profile will be shown. You can see there are options of group, people nearby, and some channels might also be here. So go ahead and click show more, and you can see that there are people nearby you. You can go ahead and add these people to your Telegram account. So guys, this is how you find people nearby on Telegram. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.